So hello guys, this is your friend Ashutosh and you are watching Riding Tech. Now Oppo K3 has been one of the most talked about launches in the mobile phone category this month. A lot of people wanted to see the unboxing and review of this one, although there are a lot of reviews available in the market and on YouTube. So I thought, let's just do it. But before we begin, let us talk about some basic specs of this phone. I hope you can see it here. This phone has a dual rear camera, 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel for depth, 16 megapixel camera in the front for your selfies. Screen size is 16.5 centimeter or 6.5 inch. The weight is about 191 gram, which is little bit on the higher side. I'm not very impressed. This phone is 9.4 millimeter thick, which is again on the higher side. I'm not very impressed. We don't expect this much from a phone in 2019, especially when the competitors are offering way better dimensions in the same category, right? Battery is 3765 mAh, which is again decent. It is a little bit above average, I would say, but I'm not impressed. It is not outstanding. Okay, so you get a handset, a charger, a USB data cable, SIM ejector tool and all that jazz. We'll see that in a bit. So this is the box itself. Now you'll see the phone is slightly bigger than its siblings. So what Oppo has done, it has tried to make this phone look and feel a premium in some aspects. So they have done the same thing on the box. They have tried to make the box look a little more premium, slightly bigger, so that you feel that you have got some value for your money. And trust me, it does feel like that. So that is it. That's all that there is on the phone. So now this is a 6GB 64GB version. I hope you can see this. And it's jade black because I feel the emerald blue or whatever color it is, the second one feels a little bit girly. I'm sorry, don't judge me, but it's just my opinion, right? So now let's begin unboxing. Okay, so where do we begin opening it? Here. Alright, let's just begin. Keep it aside. This is again, I don't know what it is. I don't want to see it. Does it have anything else? Nope, I don't think so. Totally empty. Is it? Nope. Yes. Now this is the phone. Yep. Comes in protective polythene cover. Just remove it. Here you see the phone, your volume rockers up and down, your power button. You know what guys, the phone does look premium, and even for 9.4 millimeter of thickness I am pretty impressed. It doesn't look 9.4 millimeter thick. Seriously, it looks beautiful. I didn't imagine it to be this beautiful. Seriously, I mean, look at it guys. Isn't it a beauty? Right? So now let's just keep this phone aside and see what else is there in the box. So let's just take this out. Here you see the cable, which is of course, okay, that's how you open it. And this guys, you can see, is a type C cable. Yep, I like the quality of the cable. To be very frank, it's VOOC 3.0. As you guys are aware, it comes with VOOCs latest version of fast charge, which is Whoop 3.0. Below the cable here you see the SIM ejector tool. Yep, very important. Please keep it aside. Then this is the cover. Alright, there's something inside the cover just to protect the protector, right? Okay, so some protection on the cover as well. Let's just remove it. The cover looks pretty solid. Quality looks very good, but I'm not going to put this phone inside this case right now because this phone doesn't belong to me. This is your socket. Yes, it says Oppo, and the input is, what does it say? See, I'm very bad with these things, and also my camera which doesn't focus. Okay, so that's it. That's all that there is in the box. Let's keep all these things aside. Here is your phone. Now you can buy this phone from Amazon.in. This will cost you around 17,000 rupees. If you have an Amazon Pay account, you will get 1,000 rupees cash back in your Amazon Pay account. So this phone will effectively cost you 16,000. And additionally, if you have a Axis Bank credit or debit card, you can use that. You get 1,000 rupees additional discount right at the time of payment. Also, this is not it, you also get 3 and 6 month no interest EMI on this phone. Now they are also offering you some OYO vouchers worth rupees 12,000. They are giving you Geo benefits worth rupees 7,000, and they are taking you to Hawaii next month for 7 days and 6 nights of trip, and they are also offering you share in their company. Hey, excuse me. Hey, what is this? Who wrote the script? This is a beautiful phone, guys, and this could be yours. Like I said, this is going to be a giveaway. There are 3 conditions for you to get this phone. First is you have to subscribe to the channel and like this video. There are 2 more conditions which I will tell you later in the video. Okay, so now let's just remove this. Let me show you in close-up. This says Oppo, designed by Oppo, f1.7 aperture. Have a close look of this phone. This is a gradient finish. Now let's try switching this phone on and see whether this phone has some juice in it or not. Okay. It says Oppo, powered by Android. It does take quite some time to boot. Here is the Oppo logo. Now some people call it Oppo and some call it Oppo. So guys, what do you think? What is the real pronunciation? And also tell me whether this jade black looks good or the emerald blue. Is it the color? Emerald blue? Yeah. So whether that one looks good or whether this one looks better. So let's begin with the setup. English, United States. So guys, the phone is now on. We have selected the language. Now it says connect to a Wi-Fi. The screen is very vibrant, guys. It looks really beautiful. It's nearly bezel-less. Please have a look. It does look gorgeous. The chin is also non-existent, literally. Start experiencing. It runs on Color OS 6, and wow, guys, this looks simply beautiful. The screen is very, very impressive, guys. Trust me. It is very impressive. So guys, this was the first look, this was the unboxing. Now once again I'm going to show you the phone. Sideways, front, left, back, here. This is your pop-up selfie camera. I'm going to show you how it works. This is your microphone. This is 3.5mm jack. This is your Type-C charger. These are stereo outputs. This, I'm assuming, is your microphone. Could even be a SIM ejected area. No, I think this is where you insert your SIM cards, right above the power button, right? So I'm gonna show you the performance of the selfie camera. Now I don't want to use it right now. I'll show you how I'm shooting, but still. Anyways, let's go for it. All right, I want a selfie. Yes. See how the camera comes up and down, up and down, right? Not too fast, but it's okay. I think it is quite okay. You can work with it. So this was pretty much it. Now I'll show you the performance of the front camera and the back camera and the performance of the phone while gaming and everything, but that would be done in a separate video. So for now, this was simply the unboxing and the first look of this phone. So till our next video, guys, bye bye, take care, see you. And now if you're wondering what are the other two conditions, so the second condition is that you have to go in the comment section and let me know what is the best feature of this phone because of which you would like to own this phone. And third condition is that the giveaway will take place only and only when the likes for this video crosses the 1000 marks. Let's see if we can do that. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.